Kumba Julia man lausnem baka all Meghalaya Karbi Association Amka ka jupelong ya ka jingya kendu lang ka bashisin shisnem kinong yalam ka Amka nen ka sngit hodien kila pelong biang ya ka 48 annual conference ya ka ba kila pelong hakashnong solia ka badai ka weni kishnong nong kendong ka badan hakithan maulasnai hari bhoi Kibala sakhi lang hakatiga jingalang ba kijaj berriu Karbi la sakhi da ka jingdon usurya rongphar EM ka KAAC ubalong ukongsan nang ta usam santeran president ka Karbi Student Association UBS teran ubri undong seng ya ka Amka lembat shibun ngot kinong yalam ka Amka berki weipan kinong yalam ka Amka kilaong ba ka jingthmu jong kate ka jingya kendu lang ba shisin shisnem jong kijaj berriu Karbi kalong ba kipai Karbi haka jalla kindon ka jingya dei ka bajan ka jingya Ieid ber ka jingya teli para jaj berriu la kidon shakanu ko jaka wat shabar ka jella ban pen em ban pen ne ban pen saru yakiriti ba kidustur tenrai balabu na du min barem bakum ka jaj ban riu Karbi kim dei ban kalen habashim kelum na ka jingkran jang kite ki Karbi kilapen mi ya ki kintien da ka baong baki dei bandan ka jinget teli ber ka jing Ieid hapen ki pai Riewlum kata hapen ki Khasi ber ki Karbi ha ka ba kila la ban pen paru badan shibun ba ki pai Karbi ki ba shong ki basa Meghalaya ber kalong ru kumju ya shibun ki Khasi ki ba shong ki basa ha Karbi anglong
We have been living together since from the ancestor. So I appeal all sections of the people of Meghalaya to maintain peace and tranquility in Meghalaya and as well as in Karbi because in Karbi also there are some Khasis living in our districts and we have been maintaining peace and tranquility in our area also. So I lastly appeal everyone, all sections of people to work together for the greater interest of the people of Meghalaya. Let us not divide ourselves, let us work together for the achievement of our problems, for the achievement for our self-determination. So,
as our Vice President KCS Hung Sing has already mentioned, and has also mentioned in his speech, there is a Khasi village in Burom. It is very, very far away. They are living peacefully, they are living with assimilated with Karbi. So, if anything happened to them, it is happening to Karbi. So, Karbi people protect Khasi people living in Karbi and you must protect Karbi living in here in Surya, Rongmesek or Nongpo or any other places. Because we are in microscopic tribes, then Karbi also, Khasi also, with, while comparing with other mainstream Indian. So we should love each other, we should say each other. Since time immemorial, we are brother and sister, we are in the same area, same land. So that has to be continued in the year to come.